Hi guys, today I'll show you how I made these earrings. You will need the following materials. Let's start. First, take a medium thickness sheet of lilac clay. Place a thin strip of paper over the clay sheet in the middle portion. Slightly burnish it so the paper will stick to the clay without any air gaps. I took a purple shade of holographic glitter which complements the lilac color well. Apply the glitter all over the clay using a soft brush. I'm using a powder brush. We have to use heat resistant glitter on the polymer clay because when we bake it should withstand oven temperature. So make sure of checking it before using cheap glitter. It can destroy our jewelry. Clean the glitter on the working surface immediately as it goes everywhere. See how brilliant that shine is. Remove the strip of paper. I am gently using a long needle to texture the clay sheet. Place your needle horizontally and make vertical lines randomly all over the clay sheet. Some longer and some shorter markings all over. Textured clay is resembling crepe paper. Use your preferred medium-sized clay cutters. Make sure you cut both pieces similarly, having both glittery and non-glittery parts. Peel off the excess clay. Wipe off the excess glitter. I took white clay with a similar thickness to lilac clay. I'm using an 80 grit wet dry sandpaper to texture it. I have this linoleum roller, sometimes I use it to roll over a texture sheet. Use the next large cutters to the previous ones on the sheet. I normally drill holes after baking, but I want to avoid it now, so I'm using a micro round cutter to make holes in the raw clay. Remove that excess clay in that round portion if you can, or leave it. It will come off easily after baking when pushed with a needle. Do the same on white clay also. Bake as per the instructions given on your clay pan, whichever you are using. These are sandpaper textured baked pieces. These are baked glitter pieces. I'm using a gloss varnish called Jacquard Pearl X. It's an optional step because glitter firmly attaches to the clay when we bake it. It kind of melts, I guess, and mixes with the plastic, but it can come off when we intentionally scratch the surface. So just to avoid that, I'm using this sealant. Just apply it only on the glitter part with a brush neatly with one-sided strokes. Let the varnish dry for 30 minutes and recoat 2 or 3 times. You will not even find much difference in the glossiness after coating, as the glitter itself is very shiny. I'm assembling these using round hoops. The white piece is at the bottom and the lilac is at the top. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you liked this tutorial and what you think of these earrings.